Hi, I'm Veer Mahajan. In this video, we're going to be using functions to figure out how much revenue someone makes. These are the two functions, revenue per year, and that's the function. And then this is the projected revenue per year. And so this is the second video in Bob's Ice Cream playlist, and the revenue is how much revenue the Bob's Ice Cream franchise makes. So there are two ways to approach this after you've read the question and understood what it's about. You can either draw a table and write down the values like X when you input 1 year, then how much revenue does he make a table and then plot it on this and then construct the function, or you can directly plot them. Actually, for this one, let's draw the table first because that'll be a bit easier. With 0, we're using this function because I've written it in blue. It's x cubed, so that's 0, minus 2x, that's 0 also, minus 2. So 0 would be negative 2. Okay, 1 is 1, minus 2, that's negative 3. 2 is 8, minus 4, minus 2, that's positive 2. 3 is 27, minus 6 minus 2 minus 8, so 27 minus 8, so that's 19. You can try to calculate these on your own, of course, the next two. So 8 cubed is 512, and from that we're going to be subtracting 512 minus 16, 17, 18 minus 18, so that's 494, right? 494. So just write that down. And 9 is 729 minus 20, and that's the maximum, 709. Good. So now all we have to do is basically plot them, and we have to draw the negative axis, and we have to label them. So we can go to negative 3. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So 0 was negative 2, 1 was negative 3 up there. Then 2 was not 2, sorry, just there. 3 was 19, a bit higher, but that's too high. The function that will be a bit easier. Plotting is probably pretty hard, so try to make it as smooth as I can. Okay, then we have to cut through that. Okay, I think that's pretty good, pretty accurate. And now we can draw the table for p of x, again with 9, so x, y, 1, 2, 3. 3x squared plus 20x plus 100. Okay, so 3x squared is 3, with 1 being x, that's 1 squared times 3, which is 3, plus 20, 23, plus 100, 123. So you can immediately see that that's a really big jump from that. Let's do 0 now. Actually, it'll just be easier. 0 is 100. Very big. They're starting there. His projector was starting somewhere there, when really it started in the negatives. He was losing money. He only made about $2,000 in his second year. And now 2 is 2 squared for 12. Is that 12? No. Yeah, 4/12 plus 80, it's 92, 192. Now 9 is going to be the largest, and that's 81 times 3, that's 243. So 243 plus 280. And what's that? That's about, let's just 243, it's 3 to 523. Now let's graph this. 0 starts at 100, that's useful. 1 starts at 123, so there. 2 is at 152. And then 8 is 452, and 9 is 523. Okay, now I'll remove this table that I made, and now we can graph the projected, like how much money he was thinking he would make, and he obviously surpassed that. As neat as I can. Okay then. So the functions were clearly really different. This one was it just went really far up. This one was more like almost like a straight line. I hope you learned how you can use functions, and I'm sorry I didn't mention it in the beginning, but if you don't know what functions are, check out my intro to functions video. I made one, it was my second video, and so please check that out. It will tell you what functions are, and it will give examples, and these are basically examples of functions and using them, making the functions and then comparing them a bit. So I hope you learned something from the video and had fun. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my new content. Bye.